Today we're doing F25 X3 with the N55 engine. We're doing PureTurbo Stage2 turbocharger upgrade, along with all the supporting mods, which is all the hard pipes, bigger intercooler, downpipe, exhaust, the whole everything. We installed KW EDC coilover kit. That way we could utilize the factory electronic damper control, or as they call it, EDC. So that feature will still be working with the car, but you could actually adjust the ride height with the coilovers. It's actually a pretty cool upgrade. Good for a street car at least, you know? We did a baseline run to measure the stock horsepower, and then after all the work is done, we'll do it again to see what the difference is. We're not focusing on the actual number, we're focusing on the difference between stock and modified. That's what's important, not the actual number, because everyone's obsessed with numbers, like, oh, the car should be putting down this amount or that amount. When in actuality, what's important is the difference it makes, not how much it's making, because every dyno in every country and every environment reads differently. So what's important is the actual increase, not the actual number.